Tonight we want to go to our Valina Jones, who has a message from local leaders about what you can do. They held a morning news conference today. What did they have to say, Valina?
Well, you know, Jennifer, in the last 24 hours, it seems like every hour we're seeing the impacts of the coronavirus. And you can tell just here in downtown Portland, it's empty. Usually at the height of rush hour, you would be seeing a whole bunch of cars and people getting off of work. You're just not seeing that today. And in a press conference today, Governor Brown says her two top priorities are protecting the health of Oregonians and their jobs.
We find ourselves in an unprecedented public health crisis, a rapidly evolving global pandemic.
Governor Kate Brown in a news conference today says she is following the lead of the CDC. Brown reinforcing her new preventative restrictions announced last night is immediately banning large organized gatherings over 250 people for 4 weeks, recommending the canceling of all non-essential school activities and encouraging distance in the workplace, including recommending limited in-person meetings and travel. The governor is also continuing to limit visitation for long-term and assisted living facilities.
Our strategy now in Oregon is shifting away from one of containing isolated cases of COVID-19. Now we are focused on preventing the worst impacts of a mass outbreak from coming to pass.
Multnomah County is under a state of emergency. The county is committing to keeping winter shelters open and increasing motel vouchers for the homeless.
Outreach workers are fanning out, getting necessary supplies to our neighbors on the street.
In Portland, the city is increasing hygiene stations. Mayor Ted Wheeler also declaring a state of emergency.
It gives the city additional authority to properly address the threat of infection and harm.
As for all the businesses and events losing money in the crisis, Wheeler plans to implement a COVID impact task force to help.
We're working to help our small and large employers alike recoup losses from canceled events and loss of business and find additional financial support.
Now, since that morning's press conference, we've seen several different cancellations, including this weekend's Shamrock Run. Reporting live in downtown Portland, Valina Jones, Point 6 News.